Hello, welcome back to my channel. Last time we stayed in Coro Hotel, we booked the 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗵𝗁𝙣𝗐 room. Because we loved this hotel so much, we decided to book more nights with them before we traveled back to Ireland. This time, we booked the Junior Suite Allegro room for 2 nights. This room is bigger and more spacious than the 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗵𝗁𝙣𝗐 room. Unlike the previous room, this room has a couch and a 3-seater round dining table. Similar to the previous room, there is a mini kitchenette with a sink, fridge, microwave, kettle, and dish rack with cutlery and plates. There's also a desk and a rotating TV so you can watch from the bed or from the dining table. Our room was located on the 8th floor, so we didn't get a full city view, but it was still okay. Every room in this hotel has a wardrobe with an iron and an iron board, a safe, and a weighing scale. Every room also gets the same complimentary toiletries and hairdryer. This room was a slight upgrade from the previous room we booked. We preferred the Junior Suite Allegro room because it's more spacious and it's also affordable and good value for money. But overall, all our stays in Coro Hotel have been amazing regardless of the type of room we stayed in. All guests staying in Coro Hotel have access to the rooftop deck. The spa, swimming pool, and bar are also located here. You can also find the best view of Manila on the rooftop deck, especially at night. When you book the Junior Suite Allegro room, it comes with complimentary buffet breakfast. Pets are not allowed near the food and buffet area. They are only allowed in the balcony area, which wasn't so bad since we had a really good view of the lobby from here. Coro Hotel's buffet breakfast offers a wide range of food, from local Filipino breakfast to global breakfast cuisine. My favorite part of the buffet was the egg station. You can request the chef to cook the type of egg you prefer. It was very new to me as many hotels don't do this type of service for their buffet breakfast. That sums up our stay in the Junior Suite Allegro room. For this stay, I rated another 5 out of 5 stars. Overall, we loved staying at the Junior Suite Allegro room. We also loved the breakfast and the hotel overall. I will put the link to my room tour of the 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗵𝗁𝙣𝗐 room in the description box below so you can decide if the Junior Suite Allegro or the 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗵𝗁𝙣𝗐 room is more suitable for you.